This video shows how to replace the adapter PERC on a PowerEdge R250. Before you begin, power off the system and disconnect all of the attached peripherals. Ensure that you always use ESD protection when working inside the system. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/PowerEdge manuals. To begin, first remove the system cover. To do this, if the latch lock is in the lock position, rotate it to the unlock position. Lift the latch to disengage the cover from the system, and then lift the system cover off. For the Air Shroud, hold the Air Shroud at both ends and lift it out of the system. Now remove the expansion card riser by using your thumb and index finger holding the blue touch points. Now disconnect and remove the SAS cables from the adapter PERC. Now hold the adapter PERC and pull it out from the expansion card riser slot. To replace the adapter PERC, hold the adapter PERC by its edges. Insert the adapter PERC into the expansion card slot. Connect the SAS cables to the adapter PERC. Now align the expansion card with the connector on the system board and connect the expansion card riser onto the system board connector. To replace the Air Shroud, align the slot on the Air Shroud with the standoff on the system and lower the Air Shroud holding it at both ends until it is firmly seated. Finally, replace the system cover by placing the cover into its position on the system. Lower the latch to engage the cover onto the system, and then rotate the lock on the top of the system cover to the locked position. You have replaced the adapter PERC on a PowerEdge R250. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/PowerEdge manuals.